Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run regression in Excel. Open an Excel sheet. As you can see, there is a simple table. So we will have our regression analysis from here. So we'll go to Data tab, and from here we'll go to Data Analysis and click on Regression. Okay, and we'll select our input X range and input Y range. So for input Y range, let's select our obtained marks, and for input X range, let's select our results and take the labels option and click on OK. It will give you you know a different sheet which will include the results of your um, analysis. You can adjust your columns from here. As you can see, we have got our results. So yep, this is how you can find out the regression. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.